This lesson is about the smear tool. In this lesson, I'll show you how to use and work with the smear tool. Let's start now. I'm going to make a rectangle here on the page and fill with color. Then go to the toolbox, click on the shape tool, and I am selecting the smear tool from here. Here is the smear tool property bar. You can resize the brush nib from here manually by putting the values here like this. Or you can also change the nib size by pressing the shift key down and click the left button of the mouse and move the mouse backward and forward like this. If you want to increase the nib size, just backward the mouse, and if you want to reduce the nib size, forward the mouse like this. You can see the changes backward and forward, backward and forward. You can set the nib pressure from here like this. It's a smooth smear. This option is for smooth curve. Just click and on this option. You need the select object first to use the smear tool. Click and drag the edge outside with the brush like this. You can see the smooth curve. Now I change the nib pressure. Click and drag the edge outside like this. You can see the difference between nib pressure. It's a pointy smear. This option is for sharp corner. You can make sharp corner by using this tool. Click and on this option and use like this. You can see the sharp corner. This option is for digital pen. If you are working on a tape, then you can use this option. It's not working with the mouse. You can use smear tool and make beautiful designs with your own creativity. Now you know how to use the smear tool. We make a design with the help of smear tool. First, I delete this object from the page and zoom the page. Make the circle on the page by using the ellipse tool. And I create some small circles also. Like this. Now we use the smear tool. Select the smear tool. Just click on the object and use it like this. And set the pressure as per your requirement like this. Select all objects, right click and group them like this. I copy and paste here and fill the color. Resize and arrange them. Now our design is ready. You can make amazing shapes and create beautiful designs. It's depend on your creativity.